Hmm. So we have the accessories at top. One is the stand, power cord, and the installation screws. This is the stand, this is the power cord, this is the fixing base assembly of the stand and installation screws. This is the top side of the machine. This is the front side of the machine. This is the back side. This is the cooling fan. This is the power socket, and this is the buzzer. In this power socket, this is the fuse area. Remove the fuse from this socket. So we have two fuses here. This is the main circuit fuse and this is the extra spare fuse. So in case the fuse goes off, we have to replace it with the spare one. We need to place the stand against the wall and put the marks where the holes are to be drilled. So we have three places here, 1, 2 and the third on this side. Kindly ensure all the screws are tightened properly. This is the fixing base assembly. So these two screws are for the upward and downward movement of the machine. Machine will be placed here and this stand assembly will go and fix here on the wall mount stand. The screw beneath what you are seeing, this can be used to adjust the horizontal movement. So this fixing base assembly will be placed here on the two bolts. First the plain washer, then the spring washer, then the nut. The bolts are to be tightened properly so that this does not move. So this will be the downward and upward movement and here will be the horizontal movement. Please insert the cable into the power socket. Ensure that this connection is very firm and it is not loose, otherwise it will lead to the fuse blow off or the sparking might happen in the machine. This connection has to be very tight and very firm. Machine is to be placed on the wall mount stand and the screw at the bottom has to be tightened properly. Before tightening the screw, fix the position of the machine horizontally. After fixing the vertical position, tighten both the screws so that the machine is firm and sturdy. Plug the socket into the main power and switch on. Switch on the unit from the main power at the back side of the machine. The fan will start to rotate. Once the machine is switched on, the green LED in the front of the machine will start to glow.